This 2025 NuCamp Tab 320S is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 15 feet 3 inches in length and features a natural elm cabinetry interior, sleeps 2, self-contained, TV, refrigerator, stovetop burner, external shower, water heater, auxiliary battery, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, and 19 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bath, front kitchen, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 NuCamp Tab 320S is 2,354 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.